well, a good portion of the time in the kitchen, I'm working with commodities and proteins and methods and applications that I've never seen before. And it's really cool because it kind of, you think about these commodities in different ways, and, it kind of broadens your whole idea of like how to cook this, and it's pretty neat just to kind of expand your knowledge. And I find myself pretty much on a daily basis now at home, I'm using these applications, and it's really cool. We at the school at least have adapted really well to it because there's so many safety standards and regulations that we already follow. I think it just kind of helps us to, you have to adjust quickly, and you have to, one day it could be completely opposite from the day before, and you kind of have to roll with it, and that's pretty realistic to cooking, I think. Again, it's a very realistic program, and it helps to, like, for example, before I came to the school, I'd never worked in fine dining. I hadn't worked with very technical, molecular kind of cookery, and and we do that every day here, and I think it's really cool. And especially now that we're into the International Inspirations series, I think it's really cool to kind of explore new chefs and new cultures, and the way that different people apply these techniques to a vast amount of commodities. I think it's pretty cool.